Here the video is based on the concept of photoelectric effect. Let's see the question. Will photoelectrons be emitted from a copper surface of work function 4.4 electron volts when illuminated by a visible light? See, we already know that the visible light range is between, let's say I am writing here, the visible light range is in between 4000 angstrom to 7500 angstrom. This is the visible light range. So this is very important for the sessions. We need to remember this value. The visible range is between 4000 angstrom to 7500 angstrom. They already given the work function is 4.4 electron volts. Here the work function is represented by the letter phi, that is 4.4 electron volts. So we already know that the formula is work function is hc by lambda. Here we are taking lambda as lambda naught. Here lambda naught is nothing but threshold wavelength. This is the lambda naught is the threshold wavelength. Okay. See, whenever we substitute these values into this equation, before that we are taking, here we are calculating the lambda naught value, that is threshold wavelength. So here we need to calculate the range. Here the visible light range is in between the 4000 angstrom to 7500 angstrom. So we need to calculate the value, whether this lambda naught value is in between this range or not. So lambda naught is equals to hc by phi. So after substituting these values, we are getting, we already know that hc is 1240, but here we are calculating it into angstroms. For that we need to add one more 0, that is 12400 by what is the work function? 4.4. After calculating this, we are getting 2820 angstroms. This is the value for lambda naught. See, here I am writing 2820 angstrom. Is it in between the range of visible light? No. Actually, the range is 4000 to 7500, but we are getting 2820 angstrom. So this is not in the range of visible light. So here the copper does not eject photoelectrons. Is it clear? So it cannot eject photoelectrons from the copper. Is it clear? So it cannot eject photoelectrons from the copper surface. Is it clear?